Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like food blogger vibes right now. So at the beginning of the year, one of my New Year's resolutions was to eat less meat. And so I kind of took that idea and ran with it. Because of quarantine, I had way more time to research how to eliminate meat out of your diet properly and healthy alternatives that you're still getting all the nutrients that your body needs. And through that process, I found out that my limiting meat easily went to eliminating meat and then turned into eliminating or trying to eliminate most of my dairy. And so that's the process that I'm in right now. I refer to myself as a fleegan at this point, which basically to me means that most of the meals that I prepare, well, all of the meals that I prepare myself are vegan. And it's just like a rarity if I was to eat dairy or meat. I don't want to say never. If I was traveling and I wanted to try a cultural dish or I was at someone's house, I think it would just be more, you know, use of the planet's resources, more waste if I was to ask them to make me a completely separate meal. I'm not like fully die-hard vegan, but I am a fleegan. I think the problem that I ran into most of my life is that I always thought vegetarianism and veganism was this like all or nothing thing. You were either like 100% vegan or you were trash. So I think this year I really realized that I don't need to be a perfect human. I don't need to be a perfect vegan. I don't need to be a perfect vegetarian in order to do good for my body and help the planet. I didn't realize that you could actually be helping the planet a lot by even just limiting your meat consumption just a little bit. And you know, for me that kind of snowballed and grew into something more. But for anyone watching this, even if you just have, you know, one night a week where you do like maybe Meatless Monday, or you try to eliminate meat from all of your lunches or all of your dinners, it's little things like that that are really gonna help and make a difference. Also, I watched a documentary lately called What the Health. It's on Canadian Netflix, so if you want, you should go check that out. It was just a really eye-opening documentary on the possible negative effects that meat and dairy can have on your body. I can say from personal experience that once I started eating vegan, I felt way better. I have so much energy now. Through research, the main thing that I found to focus on if you're thinking about shifting over to eating less meat is to focus on whole foods. Those are gonna be your best friends. Obviously, it's okay the odd time to try like, you know, a meat alternative. I really like the Beyond Meat burgers, but the main thing you should be doing is focusing on whole foods to nourish your body. Anyway, let's get into the video. So today I'm making a vegan vegetable red Thai curry. It's really delicious. I have made this before. I will put a link in the description of the video to the website that I got this recipe off of and that I'm basing it off of. Another thing that I've done is I've already set up my meal prep containers on the counter behind me. I am meal prepping for the week. This just helps me save money. I am working full-time now, so I pack my lunch every day. We're gonna start by washing our vegetables. People who don't wash their vegetables, you need to be washing them. Does anyone else cook with their laptop like extremely close to them? Oh. Okay, so I'm just starting by cutting my peppers. But I found a way to do it where I don't have to look. Oh my god. For those of you who know me in real life, you know that I have, oh, I can't even remember how to pronounce it. Trypophobia. Oh, whatever the word is, I cannot pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen. But it transfers for me for seeds. So like the phobia is fear of small holes and clusters. And for me, the inside of peppers, oh, they really freak me out. So when I cut a pepper, I've like finally found a way where like I can cut it and like I don't have to look at the disgusting seeds, which is like, this is a problem for me because I cook with peppers a lot. And so I eat peppers a lot anyway, but I found if I go like this and then I cut it around, but I keep them together, you know, like this. Then, oh no, it did it again, it did it again. I don't want to touch it either. Oh, there's a pod, there's so many pods still inside. Oh my god, there's so many seeds. It's not as bad when they're like not. Oh my god, it's really bad. This one's really bad. Okay, this usually doesn't happen. Oh, Oh my gosh. I don't know why, like I physically feel like so gross. Don't do this at home, guys. This is why I put the not safe for kids on my videos. Oh my god. That is so gross. Okay, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. One of my favorite things about cooking vegan food is like you don't have to worry about cross-contamination. So like, you know when you would cook chicken and then like I'm not touching anything else with my hands that I just touched the chicken with? You don't have to worry about that with vegan food, which is really nice. All right, so our next feat is to now start sauteing up the vegetables. Getting some olive oil just all over the pan. As always, I like my laptop dangerously close to me while I'm cooking. I'm gonna start by adding in the onion and just the onion to the pan. Here's what we're working with. Honestly, transitioning over to a vegan diet has been way easier than I thought it would be, and I think that's because I started out with finding a bunch of meals that I already liked and then finding like vegan versions of them or just searching out vegan meals that I think I would like. That just made it like a whole lot easier. So if you're thinking about going vegan, I would also recommend following a bunch of like vegan food bloggers online. I kind of started off with not just vegan food bloggers, but I also did vegan dietitians, because vegan dietitians, they know what's up. They're like doing the right thing. Also, I love being on vegan TikTok. Vegan TikTok is a great place to be. Okay, so I just added the ginger and garlic and I'm cooking this for like 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna throw in the rest of the vegetables. I just added in like powdered ginger because I don't have real ginger. Now I'm adding in my bell peppers and my broccoli. So as you can see, I'm cooking with some raw vegetables, but also some frozen vegetables, and it works out just fine. A way to make this recipe easier would just be to get a bunch of frozen vegetables, but that is up to you. Now you let your vegetables cook for a couple minutes, and then you add some red curry paste. I just have this like Thai brand red curry paste and it's really good. They say 2.5 tablespoons, but I really love the flavor. So I usually do about a good amount. A good amount. And then a full jar of coconut milk. Coconut milk is what's gonna make it nice and creamy. And then the recipe also calls for half a cup of water. I wish you all could smell this. Like, it smells so good. I actually used to work at a restaurant and one of the dishes was like a red Thai curry bowl, and I always used to get it, and I used to get it with chicken actually, but I don't even find I miss the chicken. Like, if you throw enough of your fave veggies in there, I guarantee you won't miss the chicken. Give it a shot, let me know. So once you mix it up, it'll look a little something like this, super delicious. And then you're going to cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. You're gonna wanna add in some kale. As you can see, there's like so many vegetables in this dish. It's so amazing. So now for the last bit of the recipe. Once you have let the veggies kind of softened in that delicious red Thai sauce, you're gonna just add in the tiniest bit of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then the juice of a whole lime. This smells so good. All right, and there you have it, our vegetable red Thai curry. You can serve this with rice. That's what I'll be doing in my little meal containers. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do any other vegan videos, and I can show you all of my favorite vegan creations. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please put in the comments your favorite vegan people that you follow, because I'm always looking for more inspiration. That's all for my video, and I'll see you next time. Now I get to eat this. Okay, bye!
I got so much back, I think I'm never running out, yeah. Bust me down a whip, bitch, I don't do this for no clout, hey. I got so much back, I think I'm never running